students, I hope you will be fine. Let's start our written work of English. Open your notebook of English, day 2. What is this? This is an ant. 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 What is the color of ant? Brown. Take out your brown color and start coloring. Color inside the picture. You work neatly. Ant. What is this? Ant. Color like this. Color hold the picture. Don't outside the boundary of the picture. Do you work neatly? Okay. Let's learn how to write a straight line and curve. Ant. 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 Let's write ant, straight line and curve. Ant. Ant. Practice it on your notebook. Okay, thank you.